everyone, welcome back to my channel. Olga is here, and for those of you who haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. It's on a very non-specific schedule right now. I don't have anything like 3 videos per week that I used to do. I'm now filming whenever the heck I feel like it and whenever I'm inspired. So now, after everybody and their mother have reviewed this palette, I'm going to do the unboxing for you of the Urban Decay and Game of Thrones collaboration. Actually, it's HBO that has collaborated with Urban Decay, or the other way around. Anyways, it doesn't matter. They have collaborated to give us makeup junkies all of this wonderfulness so that we can pretend to be Dany Targaryen or Cersei, I don't know, whatever rocks your boat. So I'm going to do the unboxing in this video. I'm not going to be talking about the quality of the shades, specifically how they perform, because I haven't used them. I'm going to have separate videos dedicated to the swatches and separate videos dedicated to what looks you can come up with. I'm also going to attach pictures of this palette and what it looks like further in this video, and I'm going to have description and the links at the bottom before the comment section, so you can check it all out yourself. So this is what the outer box looks like. Some of you have told me before that I turn the boxes too quickly, and I am not going to do it too quickly now. So here it's slow, right? This is slow enough. And Dan is helping me film it because I don't have a viewfinder, so I can't really see what's happening. So working blind. So I'm going to open this up. Also, I know that you can, from the Urban Decay website, you can get the vault, and it's part of the whole vault. So it's not just the palette that they came out with. They have Vice lipsticks, they have lip gloss, they have other things that they came out with. They have like even Jon Snow's sword done as the brush. I will attach the picture of that. I did look this up, it actually is cool. And they do have Aya's needle, I think, as a brush or as a pencil, but I'll attach that stuff later. So this is literally, it looks like a book. You could have it sitting on a shelf or something. So it's all done in a design of like dragon scale or dragon skin.
The Iron Throne.
It's Iron Throne. This is the Iron Throne?
Yes.
So it's not the, okay, so here. This is the Iron Throne. And I'm going to open it up. Okay, wait a second. So, okay, there is a mirror, Dan, just to let you know. So how are we going to do it?
Just open it.
I'm just gonna do it like this, I guess.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Can you see me?
Yep.
And there we go. Look at that.
And the Iron Throne again.
And there's the Iron Throne. And if you have like a little action figure of your favorite character or something, I'm sure all of that is somewhere out there. You can place them right there on the Iron Throne and pretend like they rule the 7 kingdoms, right? So I thought it was kind of cool. And there is also writing right here. There's stuff written. I don't want to wave the mirror too much, so we can attach pictures of that writing so you can all read for yourself what it says. If you bring me the, at the end of the video, we will put somebody on this Iron Throne. We don't have the character from Game of Thrones, but you have someone who can fit into, I'm not gonna reveal it. We will put our own ruler onto this throne. I'm struggling to open this up because I've never... okay, so you don't actually open it. You have... I thought this box flips open, but it doesn't. What it does do is this. So there is the drawer and it pulls out of here. So you can have it this way, you can have it separate. So these are, here we have the eyeshadows. And what you have are, they're kind of grouped into these quads. You have 16 eyeshadows of earth tones and shimmers and metallics. and then they are separated into like, you know, 4, I want to say houses, even though this last one doesn't really qualify as a house. I think to me this is more like the White Walkers' land. So we would have, this would be the House Targaryen, House Lannister, House Stark, and then the White Walkers, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how, so the names of the eyeshadows are also inspired by Game of Thrones characters. So it kind of is really cool because to me, and the description that Urban Decay website gives is this palette was inspired by all the strong women of the Game of Thrones. So we have Dany, who's really strong, right? And she flies dragons. And we have Cersei. And even though she's evil queen, I love Cersei. I think she's super attractive. And even after she had a haircut, well, it's a wig really, but I mean, okay, so it's a haircut in the movie. I love what she looks like with short hair. And then when I look at these, I think of Sansa and I think of Arya. And I absolutely love Arya Stark. I think that's a really prime example of a strong girl. And then this, like, or you can think of the Northern folk, right? Of Jon's love. What's her name, Dan? What's that first girl that he loved? Do you remember?
Yrgit.
Yrgit?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can think of his first real love, Yrgit. And you can think of her. Because really, I didn't see any attractive women amongst the White Walkers. And the king seems like he's ruling all by his lonesome and he never speaks throughout the series. Although I was kind of expecting him to say something evil and epic at the very end. But he does not speak, apparently. I think he thinks it's beneath him to speak to all the people, right? So anyways, these 4 shadows right here, these are more like your transformer shades. These you can use to change the appearance of these shimmers or these mattes that you have by layering these on your eyes. Also, you can use these 4 shades as highlighters. Nobody says that just because it's an eyeshadow, it cannot be featured as a highlighter. Absolutely, there are no rules in makeup. You can apply them wherever you feel is right. This one could, these ones could double up as your blushes. So just because you just got this piece, you don't necessarily have to go get the separate blush, separate highlighter. So that's what it looks like. It's really cool. Have we seen these colors before? Do I have them in my many palettes and other Urban Decay palettes? Yes, I'm sure I do. But do I think this is fantastic and awesome for the fans of Game of Thrones and Urban Decay? Absolutely. I absolutely think so. And I'm going to show you one more piece that I got. So these are the Mother of Dragon highlighters right here. And we've seen Urban Decay come out with highlighters before like that. They come in these palettes. I'm going to attach the pictures of the other ones that Urban Decay has. So this is the back of the box, and I'm going to take them out. And this is what, this is nice. This is what the inner palette looks like. By the way, for those of you who wonder, like, what is it made of? I think these are all like cardboard or like some plastic and paper. I think so. I don't know. So there is a HBO logo on the back. Real cool. And let me open these up for you. And bam, you have the highlights right here. Really pretty. Like I said, I'm not going to swatch anything right now. I'm going to have a separate dedicated video for them. But I will see you all in my next video. And let's go ahead and put somebody on the Iron Throne. And this is the big reveal. We only think it's natural that Ahsoka Tano should be ruling 7 kingdoms. I think that she would make a very just ruler, and she wouldn't burn anybody in flames. If there are any die-hard Star Wars fans out there, die-hard Star Wars fans or Game of Thrones fans, or whatever, what is this series called? The Rebels, Clone Wars, right? You're probably all just kind of like cringing right now and saying, "Die, woman!" No. I personally think that Jareth, the Goblin King, should rule Seven Kingdoms, but I don't have that figure. I don't even know if that little Jareth exists as a scale figure. I don't think Labyrinth was ever that big. But yeah, so we had Ahsoka, so we put her on the Iron Throne. And with all of that said, thank you very much for watching. And please subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you all in my next video. I love you. Bye.